For 5,000 years, the pyramids of Giza have held secrets that could rewrite history. What if I told you scientists uncovered a 2-kilometer energy network beneath these ancient wonders? A technology so advanced it could power modern cities. Let's dive into this mystery. Using cutting-edge synthetic aperture radar, researchers discovered a vast underground system beneath the pyramids. Stretching nearly 2 kilometers, this complex network was designed to produce and transfer energy wirelessly, much like Nikola Tesla's dream. The precision of its design suggests it wasn't just a tomb, but a high-tech energy center. Could this explain the pyramid's alignment with mathematical constants like pi, 3.1416, and the golden ratio, 1.618? Deep in these tunnels, strange hieroglyphs reveal star maps matching modern telescope data. How did a civilization 5,000 years ago possess such accurate knowledge of the cosmos? Some theorize contact with aliens or advanced technology, as drawings resemble satellites and spacecraft. Others suggest spiritual forces, like jinn, aided their work. The Quran mentions Haman, a builder under Pharaoh, confirmed by hieroglyphs decoded after the Rosetta Stone's discovery in 1799. It also correctly distinguishes between king for Prophet Yusuf's time and Pharaoh for Musa's era, a fact unknown until modern archaeology. These miracles suggest divine knowledge embedded in the pyramid story. How did the Egyptians move 15-ton stones? Evidence points to advanced ships on the Nile and spiral ramps supported by skilled workers. Some speculate supernatural aid, like jinn, as mentioned in the Quran for Prophet Sulaiman's constructions. Only 70% of the pyramids have been explored. 30% remain a mystery. Certain pyramid chambers show high radiation levels, causing illnesses in early explorers. Nikola Tesla believed the pyramids were energy generators, aligned with Earth's electromagnetic fields. Could they have been part of a global energy network? The pyramids of Giza are more than ancient tombs. They're a testament to a civilization with knowledge we're only beginning to understand. Like and subscribe to join us as we uncover more secrets of Egypt's mysterious past. The journey is far from over.